Introducing the Wheel Alignment and Electronics Training Stand. This educational stand provides a complete view of modern vehicle suspension, steering, braking, and lighting systems. All components are mounted on a rigid steel frame and arranged in their original positions, allowing students to clearly observe the structure and layout of a real vehicle chassis. The training stand features visible front and rear suspension assemblies, steering mechanism, braking system, and full vehicle lighting components. Its open design ensures excellent visibility of all mechanical and electrical parts, making it ideal for both demonstration and hands-on training sessions. The main function of this training stand is to study and practice chassis geometry. The main components of the stand are the front axle, rear axle, and steering mechanism. All chassis and related component adjustments can be performed. Additionally, the stand allows geometry adjustment through the upper shock absorber mounting points. This adjustment enables students to change the caster angle in both longitudinal and parallel directions. Next, we can see the front suspension system with a McPherson-type steering mechanism. The training stand is also equipped with an electric power steering system, allowing students to test and analyze steering response and assistance at different load conditions. The rear section features a fully exposed independent suspension system with all components and their original layout. This design allows a clear visual understanding of the mechanical structure and movement of the suspension elements. The training stand also includes a fully functional braking system. It features visible brake discs, calipers, a parking brake mechanism, a brake booster, and an ABS control unit. Each wheel is equipped with a hydraulic pressure gauge, allowing measurement and comparison of brake fluid pressure in real time. In addition, the stand is equipped with a fully functional automotive lighting system. It includes operational front headlights, fog lights, turn indicators, brake lights, and license plate illumination. The front headlights are adaptive and feature automatic height adjustment, depending on the vehicle load. The load is measured by a separate body height sensor installed on the rear suspension, which is clearly visible and accessible for study. Next, we demonstrate how to start and operate the training stand. First, connect the 12-volt battery. Then, release the safety switch. Next to it, there is a digital display showing the battery voltage. A red indicator light signals that the stand is powered on and ready for operation. The system is operated just like in a real vehicle. Turn the ignition key to start the stand, and the instrument cluster will activate. When the vehicle lights are turned on, all lighting components become operational. The system also includes an automatic light sensor. All other lighting components, turn indicators, fog lights, brake lights, are controlled in the same way as in a real car. This allows students to analyze the structure, operation, and adjustment of the lighting system. Once the vehicle system is active, students can also test the steering mechanism and the performance of the electric power steering system. This provides a realistic and practical learning experience for understanding the relationship between suspension, steering, braking, and electronic systems. Wheel Alignment Training Stand provides a comprehensive and practical platform for studying modern vehicle chassis systems. Students can learn how suspension geometry, steering, braking, and lighting systems interact in real conditions. By performing adjustments, measurements, and system tests, learners gain essential technical skills for wheel alignment and vehicle maintenance. This stand is an effective tool for developing a strong foundation in automotive mechanics and electronics.